Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Marissa with Bumblebee Apothecary. On my channel I show how to make organic handcrafted skincare and baby products, as well as natural lifestyle tips. In today's video I'd like to show you how to make magnesium lotion. Magnesium lotion is great for boosting your magnesium levels through the skin. Through the skin is called transdermal magnesium therapy. That just means that your skin absorbs it rather than taking it internally through your digestive tract. It's a very safe, easy, convenient way to boost your magnesium levels because you don't have to worry about getting too much. Your body uses just the amount that it needs. The reason why you'd want to boost your magnesium levels are that many of us, I would say almost everyone, is probably deficient in magnesium. There's a lot of different ways that happens. Our modern diet is deficient in it. Prescription drugs can lower your body's levels. And magnesium is so important for so many different things, for your heart health, for your brain, for dealing with stress. It really helps you sleep well when you have proper magnesium levels. So it's really important. There's a lot of other things that it does too, and I have more information on the video description below that you can read about. But this is a really safe and easy way to boost your magnesium levels, and today I'm going to show you how to make this lotion. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to melt my beeswax in my organic olive oil. Now the beeswax acts as an emulsifying agent, and what I'm actually going to be doing when I make this lotion is creating an emulsion, which is forcing two things to combine that would not normally combine. So now you can see here it's all nice and melted and the oil is nice and hot. So the next thing that I'm going to do is actually create the emulsion. So I have a food processor here. You can use a food processor to do this, or you can use a blender. I've done it both ways, but I usually use the food processor just because it allows me to make a much larger batch this way. So the trick here is to pour the magnesium brine into the hot oil and beeswax mixture very slowly. If you've ever made mayonnaise, you'll recognize that this is pretty much exactly the same process. So you just pour very slowly the magnesium oil into the olive oil and beeswax mixture, and you'll see it will very gradually start to turn a more creamy, lighter looking color as it begins to emulsify. Fast forward a bit now and you can see that it's nice and creamy. I just let the food processor run for a good 30 seconds to a minute just to make sure it's all really combined and looking good. And now the magnesium lotion is essentially done. This, as is just going to be the plain version with no essential oils added, and sometimes that's nice if you don't really want any scent at all. You just want the benefits of the magnesium by itself. So it's time to pour into containers. I store it in these quart glass jars so that when I get orders, then I just pour out the amount into the customer's jar and either leave it plain if they've ordered it that way, or mix in the essential oils for their particular order. Just like with my tallow balm, I use a 1% dilution of essential oils. So here I'm adding the drops for that into a 4-ounce jar for a customer's order. Just adding those in, and then I'll mix it really well to make sure that they're really combined and you get the same amount throughout the whole jar of lotion. As always, I'm going to link to the ingredients and the equipment and containers and everything that I use in the description box below, so if you're interested in trying this out, you can find the right ingredients and equipment to do it. So after it's all mixed in and ready to go, I will put a seal and a lid on. I'll put a label on after this and then pack it up, and it's all ready to go off to the customer who ordered it. Alright, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. If you would like to try some magnesium lotion and you don't really want to make it yourself, I have a link in the description box below to my Etsy shop where you can pick some up for yourself. I have an unscented version and I have a few different essential oil blend options too that really help with relaxation and sleep and just make it really nice. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, if you like to find out about making these types of things, think about subscribing to my channel. I make a new video every week on how to make organic, handcrafted skincare and baby products, as well as natural lifestyle tips. Thanks, see you next time.